everyone, welcome to Triaright. This is Pack 365. Today, in this session, you are going to learn about web design and development for digital marketing. What is a website? Every time you open Amazon, Flipkart, or Zomato, you are actually using a website. A website is a collection of related web pages that are connected to each other and can be accessed through the internet using a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. It represents a business, brand, or individual online collection of related web pages. A website is not a single page. It contains multiple pages that are linked together using menus and buttons. To open a website, we don't need special software. We just type the website address in a browser. Why is a website important in digital marketing? A website is the foundation of digital marketing. All digital marketing activities like SEO, Google Ads, social media, and email marketing finally brings users to a website. Digital marketing brings traffic, but the website converts visitors into customers. Importance of a website. It creates online presence. A website makes a business available 24 by 7, builds brand credibility and trust. A professional website increases trust. Customers check company details, contact information, reviews, and many more. People trust a business more if it has a website. Helps in lead generation and sales. A website helps collect customer information. For example, contact forms, inquiry forms, online purchases. E-commerce websites directly generate sales. Expand reach locally and globally. A physical shop has limited reach, but a website has global reach. For example, an Indian company can sell products to customers in the USA using a website. Cost-effective marketing tool. Compared to TV ads or newspaper ads, a website is cheaper and long-term. One website can give results for so many years. Now that we understand what is a website, let us see why a website plays a very important role in digital marketing. In digital marketing, the website is not optional, it is a mandatory thing. It builds brand credibility and trust. A professional looking website makes a business look reliable, genuine, and trustworthy. When people visit a website, they decide within a few seconds whether they can trust that business or not. A professional looking website makes a business look reliable and trustworthy. Features like customer reviews, about us, secure checkout help people feel confident. For example, Infosys website builds that by showing services, case studies, and awards. It helps generate leads and sales. A website is a lead generation and sales machine. Digital marketing brings visitors and the website converts them into leads or customers. Websites can collect user information using forms, sign-ups, and subscriptions. These users become leads, which can later be turned into paying customers. For example, Zomato's website lets users order food directly, generating revenue. Tracks user behavior. Tracking user behavior means observing what visitors do on the website, where they go, what they click, and where they leave. This data helps businesses improve marketing decisions. How many people visited the site? It shows total visitors and helps measure campaign success. Which pages they reviewed? Tells which pages are popular and identifies weak pages. How long they stayed? It shows user interest level. Improves customer experience. Customer experience decides whether a visitor becomes a customer or leaves the website. Customer experience means how easy and pleasant it is for a user to use a website. A good website is easy to use, fast, and mobile friendly. Visitors can quickly find what they are looking for. Better experience is equal to higher chances of customer. Helps in retargeting and remarketing. Many users visit a website but do not purchase on the first visit. A website helps marketers bring those users back. What is retargeting or remarketing? Retargeting means showing ads again to users who visited the website but did not purchase or take action. This is possibly when only because of the website. Websites allow marketers to track visitors using cookies or pixels. Cookies store user web behavior data, whereas pixels track user actions. Brands can show ads again to users who visited but didn't purchase. Ads follow users on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and in any other websites. It helps in A and B testing and optimization. Digital marketing allows us to test and improve continuously. Our website helps marketers test what works the best. What is A and B testing? A and B testing means creating two versions of the same page, showing each version to different users, measuring which version performs better. Marketers can test different versions of pages. Elements tested are headlines, buttons, images, layouts, colors. Small changes can bring big results. This helps find what works best to increase conversions. A&B testing helps businesses grow by making data-driven decisions. Many people think web design and web development are the same, but they are not. Only focuses One focuses on how a website looks and the other focuses on how a website works. What is a web design? Web design is about the visual appearance and user experience of a website. It focuses on look and feel, how the website appears to users, and first impression matters. For example, is the website attracting or boring? It deals with colors, fonts, layouts, and images. Web designers decide this. They decide color combinations, font styles and sizes, page layout, images, icons, banners, and many more. For example, Instagram's clean design and color theme are decided by designers. They are considered with user experience. It is easy navigation, it should be user-friendly interface, and it should have clear buttons and menus. For example, if a user can easily find the Buy Now button, user experience is good. Web designers make the website attractive and easy to use. What is a web development? Web development focuses on the technical side of a website, making it function properly. It focuses on functionality like forms working, login systems, payment gateways, search features, and many more. For example, when you submit a form and data is saved, that's development. It handles coding and backend logic. Developers work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, and many more. For example, processing orders on Amazon requires backend coding. It makes the website work properly, like fast loading, secure data, error-free performance. For example, if payment fails, users will leave. Development ensures this doesn't happen. Web developers make the website more work smoothly and correctly. Not all websites are the same. Different businesses use different types of websites based on your goals, audience, and marketing strategy. What does this mean? A restaurant needs a different website than an IT company. An e-commerce brand needs a different website than a freelancer. That's why we have different types of websites in digital marketing. The first one is business website. What is a business website? It provides information about a company, its services, and contact details. It usually includes homepage, about us, services, contact page, and many more. The role of business website in digital marketing is it builds brand credibility. A professional website makes the business look genuine. It creates a first and strong impression. For example, if a company has a proper website, customers trust it more. It acts as a trust building platform. It shows the company details, it displays reviews and many more, and it shows certifications and client logos. This reduces customers' hesitations. It supports SEO and lead generation. SEO helps the website rank on Google. Fonts help collect leads. For example, a user searches digital marketing agency near me and finds the business website. A business website is the online office of a company. Coming to the second one, e-commerce website. What is an e-commerce website? It is a website that sells products or services online. It allows users to browse products, add to cart, make online payments, and get products delivered. Role of e-commerce website in digital marketing are direct sales and revenue generation. Customers can buy instantly without visiting a physical store. Revenue is generated 24 by 7. For example, a customer buys clothes from Myntra at midnight. Supports paid ads, SEO, and remarketing. The paid ads are Google Shopping ads, Facebook ads. The SEO is product pages rank on Google. The remarketing is ads shown to users who viewed products but didn't buy. This increases sales and reduces marketing cost. For example, Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Meesho, Ajio, and many more. E-commerce websites are the backbone of online selling. Coming to the third one, landing page website. What is a landing page website? A single web page designed to capture leads or conversions from ads or campaigns. The role of landing page in digital marketing are used in Google ads and social media ads. Every ad needs a destination. That destination is usually a landing page. For example, if we click an Instagram ad, we reach a sign up page. It improves conversion rates. There are no distractions, like there are no menus or no extra links. It has clear CTA, which is call to action. The examples of CTA are sign up, download now, book a demo. Landing pages convert traffic into leads or customers. The fourth one is blog website. A blog website is mainly created to publish informational, educational, or problem solving content regularly in the form of articles or posts. For example, marketing blogs, tech blogs, fashion blogs, health blogs, and many more. The role in digital marketing are improves SEO rankings. Search engines like Google rank websites higher when they publish useful and keyword-rich content. Blog posts target specific search keywords. More quality articles is equal to more chances to appear in search results. For example, if someone searches how to choose running shoes, a sports brand blog article can appear in results. Drives organic traffic. Organic traffic means visitors who come from search engines without paid ads. Blogs answer users' questions, so users naturally find them. This reduces marketing cost over time. For example, a cooking blog gets visitors from Google searches without running ads. Builds authority and trust. When a company regularly shares expert knowledge, people trust the brand. Educational content positions the brand as an expert. Trust leads to better conversion rate. For example, a skincare brand publishing dermatologist backed articles builds credibility. The fifth one is corporate website. A corporate website represents a large organization or enterprise and provides official company information. They focus on company details, not blogging or selling directly. Corporate website role in digital marketing is it builds brand authority. A professional website increases company credibility, shows company history, leadership, services, and certifications. Investors and partners check corporate websites. A corporate website shows that the company is real, structured, and trustworthy. It supports employer branding and PR. Employer branding is equal to how attractive a company looks to job seekers. Corporate websites show career pages, work culture, employee benefits, news and press releases. PR, which is also known as public relations. Public relations communication with media and public. For example, students check company websites before applying for jobs. Content management system. A content management system is a software tool that helps people create and manage websites without needing coding knowledge. Importance of CMS in digital marketing. It helps marketers update content quickly. Marketers can change text, offers, banners, blogs instantly. There is no need to wait for technical teams. Important for campaigns and trending topics. For example, if there is a festival offer today, marketers can update the homepage banner in minutes. Reduces dependency on developers. Without CMS, every small change needs a developer. When with CMS, marketing team can do it themselves. It saves coordination time. It makes websites search engine friendly. Most CMS platforms provide SEO plugins, meta title and description editing, URL customization, sitemap generation, mobile friendly themes. It saves time and cost. Faster website building. There's no need for full-time developer for small edits. It is ready-made templates reduce design cost. Plugins reduce development work. Now, let's understand why CMS platforms are widely used in digital marketing and website development. These are the major benefits of using CMS. Easy content updates. It adds or edits text, images, and videos easily. CMS allows you to update website content like editing a document. There's no need of coding. You can change text, replace images, upload videos, add blog posts, edit product details. For example, if a company wants to change an offer banner or update a price, they can do it in minutes using CMS. The second point is SEO friendly. It supports SEO plugins, meta tags, and cleans URLs. The third one is cost effective. There's no need to hire developers for small updates. For example, changing phone number or adding a blog does not require coding support. The fourth point is time saving, faster website creation and maintenance. In CMS, we get ready-made templates available. Drag and drop builders. Plugins add features quickly. There's no need to build everything from scratch. For example, if we use WordPress website, it takes to build in days. But if we custom code website, it may take weeks or months. The fifth point is user-friendly interface. Simple dashboard for managing content. CMS provides a dashboard or control panel. It is easy. It has easy menus and buttons. It is non-technical users can operate. It is similar to using social media posting tools. Like how you post on Instagram. CMS dashboards work similarly for websites. CMS dashboards are designed for normal users, not for programmers. Popular CMS platforms. WordPress. It is used by blogs and business websites, highly flexible, thousands of plugins and themes, beginner to advanced level. Shopify. It is an e-commerce website. It is specially built for online stores, product payment, shipping features built in. Best for e-commerce businesses. Wix. It has drag and drop builder. Very beginner friendly. Good for small business and portfolios. Website analytics and tracking. Website analytics and tracking means collecting and analyzing data about how users behave on a website. The tools used for website analytics are Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a website traffic and user activity. It shows number of visitors, traffic sources, page views, and session duration, and conversion tracking. It tracks uh, website website traffic and user activity. It shows how many people visit, what pages they open, what they click, and how they navigate. Number of visitors, total users, and new visitors. Traffic sources. It shows where visitors come from. Is it from Google search, social media, ads, direct typing, or referral websites? Page views. It shows how many pages are viewed. Which page is most popular? Session duration. It shows how long users stay on site, indicates engagement level. Conversion tracking. It shows the conversion like desired action, purchase, purchases, form fills, sign-ups, and downloads. Google Search Console. Google Search Console shows how your website performs in Google search results. It is different from analytics. Analytics sees behavior on website. Search Console sees performance in Google search. It helps to track search keywords. It shows what words people searched, and it shows the keywords which that brought your site to Google results. For example, best digital marketing course. Clicks and impressions. Impressions is meant your site appeared in search results. Clicks is known as user clicked your link. Website indexing issues. Whether Google has added your pages to its database or not. If pages are not indexed, they won't appear in search. If a page is not indexed, it is invisible on Google. SEO errors. For example, broken links, mobile usability issues, page speed problems, crawl errors. Search Console acts like a health report for your website SEO. What can be tracked? Using website analytics tools like Google Analytics, we can track many types of visitor behavior and website performance metrics. Let's understand the most important ones. The first one is visitors. Visitors metrics tell us who is coming to our website and basic details about them. Total number of users visiting the website. It shows how many people visited the website in a selected time. It can be measured daily, weekly, or monthly. New and returning visitors. The new visitors are the visitors who visited for the first time, and the returning visitors are the visitors who visited again and again. Location, device, and browser detail. The location is considered as country, state, or a city. It helps in geo-target marketing. The devices comes under mobile, desktop, and tablet. And the browser comes under Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox. This data helps us technically optimize the website. The second one is bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave the website after viewing only one page. Percentage of users who leave after one page. The user visitors homepage and leaves without clicking anything else. That visit counts as a bounce. It is measured in percentage. Bounce rate shows whether visitors continue exploring or exit immediately. High bounce rate may indicate poor content. Content which is not useful and which is not matching user search intent. It might show low quality writing and no clear value. Slow loading speed. The page is taking too long to load. Users don't wait for more than a few seconds. Very common bounce cause. Many users leave if a page takes more than 3 seconds to load. Irrelevant traffic. For example, a wrong audience coming. Like if an ad says free course and when you click it, it shows pages like paid courses. That is called irrelevant traffic. Conversion rate. Conversion rate tells us how many visitors actually complete our desired goal on the website. Not every visitor takes action. Conversion rate measures how many actually do. It is shown in a percentage. The formula is conversion rate is equal to conversions divided by total visitors into 100. Lead generation websites track from fills and as conversions. Purchase. When a visitor buys a product or service, most important conversion for e-commerce. For example, Amazon order completed is a conversion. For online stores, purchase is the main conversion. Newsletter sign up. The user subscribes with email. It shows interest in brand or content. The most important for email marketing funnel. Even giving an email can be a valuable conversion. User behavior. User behavior analytics shows how visitors actually move and interact inside the website. Pages visited by users. It shows which pages users opened. It shows how many viewed. And it shows how many entered the pages and exited the pages. This tells us which content attracts the attention. Time spent on each page. It measures the engagement. The more time the user stays, the more interest it actually shows. Time must be interrupted with context. Navigation path. It shows the journey step by step. For example, if we go to home page, it shows the category page. After going to the category page, we travel to product. After the product page, we go to the checkout page. This is how it shows the path. It helps in improve website flow and it helps remove drop-off points. Navigation path shows the visitor journey. Click patterns and scroll depth. Click patterns are where users click the most, which buttons get attention and which clicks are ignored. Scroll depth is how far users scroll down a page, shows whether users read full content or not. Scroll tracking tells us whether users see our important content or not. Now, let's quickly summarize what we learned about websites and their role in digital marketing. What is a digital marketing? A website is a collection of web pages on the internet. It represents a business or individual online. Role of website in digital marketing. Central platform for all digital marketing activities. It is used to generate leads, sales, and build brand trust. Difference between web design and web development. Web design focuses on look and user experience, whereas web development focuses on functionality and coding. Types of web designs. Business websites, e-commerce websites, landing page, blog websites, and corporate websites. Content management system or CMS. It is a software used to create and manage websites easily. For example, WordPress, Shopify, and Wix. Benefits of using a CMS. It is cost effective and it is SEO friendly. Website analytics and tracking. It measures website performance and user behavior. The tools used are Google Analytics and Search Console. So with this, we come to the end of the today's session. In the next session, we will learn about search engine marketing. Thank you.